ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
आदाब दोस्तों, this is Radio Manu 90.0 FM. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, and I welcome all of you to today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same dates in history. Today is the 22nd of June, and the facts are as follows. Firstly, on June the 21st, in the year 2009, Greenland gained self-governance, taking control of most domestic affairs, while Denmark continued handling defense and foreign policy, a historic step towards greater autonomy. On this very day, in the year 1978, astronomer James Christie discovered Charon, the largest moon of Pluto. This discovery revealed new details about Pluto's system and expanded our understanding of distant worlds in the outer solar system. Moving on to films, on this very day in the year 1955, Walt Disney's beloved animated musical Lady and the Tramp was released in US theaters. The film charmed audiences with its unforgettable love story between two dogs and remains one of Disney's most enduring classics. Another legend was born today on June the 22nd in the year 1949. Meryl Streep in Summit, New Jersey. Celebrated for her remarkable range and depth, Streep has become one of the most acclaimed performers in film history, earning multiple Oscars and Golden Globes throughout her illustrious career. Today is World Rainforest Day, a day to celebrate and protect the lungs of our planet. From raising awareness about deforestation to encouraging conservation and sustainable practices, this day reminds us that protecting rainforests is protecting life itself. Every tree saved, every forest preserved helps secure a healthier planet for future generations. A little more about the world of cinema. On June 22nd in the year 1974, Joseph Vijay Chandrasekhar, famously known as Vijay, was born in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Over the years, he has become one of Tamil cinema's biggest stars, delivering blockbuster hits like Gilly, Thupakki, Mersal, Master and Sarkar. Known for his charisma and memorable performances, Vijay continues to captivate audiences and leave a lasting mark on Indian cinema. And lastly, on June the 22nd in the year 1932, Amrish Puri was born in Punjab. He went on to become one of Indian cinema's most iconic actors, remembered for his powerful performances in films like Mr. India, Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge and Mohra. His commanding screen presence and unforgettable dialogue delivery made him a beloved figure in Bollywood and beyond. That's all, dear listeners, for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to not allow a cigarette to control your life. So quit smoking in public places and stay healthy. I'll be back with more interesting facts and discussions. Till then, keep listening to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.